In 2026, Adamson is proud to introduce two new Milan-AV focused products, solidifying Adamson as a premium electronics manufacturer. Over the last decade, Adamson has been at the forefront of time-sensitive networking. Milan provides a no-compromise, standards-based networked audio solution through the collaboration between leading industry partners. Introducing the MS8.2 MILAN-ready network switch. An easy-to-use, rugged touring-grade network switch, the MS8.2 has been designed with fast and reliable networked audio applications in mind. Scalable to any size of system and easily integrated into other AV networks, the MS8.2 is perfect for single or redundant networked audio distribution for Adamson loudspeakers, spatial audio applications, and other Milan-certified AV equipment. Introducing the Adamson USB Milan Bridge, bringing networked audio to any computer. The USB bus-powered networked audio sound card is a talker and a listener capable of up to 16 in and 16 outputs over a single USB-C connector. With sample rates of either 48K or 96K, is ideal for playback, tuning applications, or multi-channel recording. Whether it's from electronics manufacturing or to providing Milan-certified network solutions to you, Adamson continues to deliver reliable, future-focused tools for the professional audio market.